Hey guys, welcome back. Today what I want to do is repair this fake Nintendo here. You can see it. It's one of them fake Nintendos, cheap Chinese brand. So now that we're on the screen here, we could go ahead and take this apart. And if all is correct, they all come out. Alright, so here it is here. Let's take a look at it, open it up. And this is the problem right here. You see the ribbon is not connected to the fake Nintendo. So let's go ahead and fix that. So these pins right here, we'll have to unsolder them. And here's one of them glob top NES on a chip. So we're going to have to desolder this ribbon and clean the ribbon up and resolder it. So what we want to do is introduce some new solder to these joints here. Okay, now that we got them soldered, introduce some new solder in there. We'll try to go ahead and use the Heiko, which is right here, FR300. Okay, just wiggle these pins around a bit. Well, they all broke off, so really cheap ribbon cable. Okay, got most of the solder off. There's just one place that it's not. Okay, now we will get rid of them. Okay, all the holes are cleared. You see that? All of them are cleared. Let's get this in shot. All of them are cleared. So now we got to take the ribbon cable, restrip it, get the wires going, and slip it back in there and get it going. Next thing what I want to do is take this chip out, because I imagine this chip here has all the Nintendo games, the rip-offs and copies. And what I want to do eventually is, you see this Bobble Bobble game? There's a chip just like the one I had showed you inside here, so maybe I could take the Bobble Bobble chip out and throw the multi-game in. That'd be cool if I did. Alright, back to work. Alright, so I have no idea how I'm going to strip this. Alright guys, come to the conclusion that I can't get that as cleanly as I want. So, and the wires are all frayed and trying to solder them together. So, what I'm going to do is just take that whole damn ribbon cable out. Alright. So got out the failed ribbon cable like that. It's cheap, really cheap. So let's clean those ports. Oh, it's only one-sided. Alright, these are now clear. So let's find some ribbon cable and install it here. I will most likely be using IDE cable from a computer. Okay, I can't seem to find any IDE cable. Ben was right. So what I'm going to have to do is make my own ribbon cable using these wire here, this wire set. It's 5 different colors. I need 11 strands. Alright guys, what I did off camera was strip and prep these wires here. Like I said, I couldn't find a ribbon cable. And the final one. Okay, that looks good. Okay, the next step, if my battery doesn't die, is to solder these wires to the main chip now, to the main board. So we want them flipped this way, and we'll just work one at a time. Alright, so if everything went according to plan, then this should be working. So this goes in here like that. See, this front control panel. First you have to put the LED, tuck it in there. Now it just looks like a big mess. Alright, the reason why I did this is to, like I said before, I'm going to be taking out that chip in another video. It's my hot air gun, and taking out the other chip and seeing if I could put it in here. Alright, so the next step now, you guys, is to put this back together and see if it works. Alright guys, it's hooked up. Power is coming from the TV USB, and the cable is one of those headphone jacks with one audio and one video. And so I'm going to turn it on. This is on, by the way, and this is reset. I couldn't find the controllers. And it's fixed, you guys. So yeah, all that work got it going again. And yeah, so like I said, I want to take the chip out of here, the 620 in 1, which is actually more like 60 in 1, because they, you know, reuse and rehash the same games over and over again. And put this chip inside the little arcade that I showed you. The Bobble Bobble. I know I'm gonna wreck it, but you know, I want to try something. And anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.